Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I have a 2007 Subaru Outback, and in this video I will show you how to replace these small light bulbs in the overhead console. This video will apply to Outbacks or Legacy made from 2003 all the way up to 2009. Okay, so to access the light bulbs, all you have to do pretty much is pry out this portion of the overhead console. It's held by two clips, one will be here and one here. So what you want to do, you want to use a plastic trim remover or a flat screwdriver if you don't have one, and just gently try to pry this out, just like this. Be careful not to break it, and it's gonna pop right out. And here you can see there is only two clips holding it, and now you will get access to the light bulbs. Okay, so to remove each of the light bulbs, you pretty much also just want to pry it out. Now I'm trying to work with one hand, so it's gonna fall down, but anyways, you just want to like pull it down. Okay, that's it. There is no screws holding it or anything, and once you have a new light bulb, you will just push it straight in, and that's it. Very easy to replace by yourself. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing and joining my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.